Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off find my iPhone without passcode. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open settings on your phone and we try to sign out our Apple ID. So as you can see, I'm trying to sign out. As you can see, it's asking to turn off find my iPhone before sign out. So when I try to enter Apple ID passcode, so as you can see password is incorrect. So how to turn it off without passcode? So now tap on forgot passcode. So wait for a few seconds here. As you can see, it's sending verification code to my number and it's asking for enter phone number. So here you have to enter your phone number. So now tap on next. So as you can see, verification code has been sent to my number. So check your phone and message. So as you can see, verification code has been entered. So it's verifying. So as you can see, it's asking to put the iPhone passcode. So as you can see, it's asking to create new Apple ID password. So now I'm going to create new Apple ID passcode. So as you can see, new Apple ID passcode has been created in my phone. So now tap on next. So as you can see, your password has been changed. So tap on done. And now we try to sign out. Tap on sign out. As you can see, copying iCloud data. So as you can see, find my iPhone has been turned off and Apple ID has been signed out without Apple ID passcode. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.